Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by preparing both devices. Make sure they share the same network and you have admin credentials. Enable remote desktop on the host or install a trusted remote client on both machines. Once done, find the host IP or hostname and record it. Next, configure firewall rules to allow remote connections and create a dedicated user for access if needed. This reduces risk. Make sure any NAT or router port forwarding is set when crossing subnets or remote networks. Now you'll actively connect. Open your remote client on the controller device and enter the host IP, username, and password. Select strong encryption and prefer network authentication. This protects credentials in transit. Once connected locally, adjust display resolution, scaling, and audio pass-through so latency and usability are acceptable. If you need files, enable secure file transfer rather than email. If connection fails, retry with hostname or try ping/traceroute to verify network reachability before changing configs. Complete the setup by tightening security. Change default ports, enable two-factor authentication, and restrict access by IP where possible. Once stable, schedule sessions and document the connection steps for future use. If you experience lag or poor responsiveness, lower color depth, enable compression, or test your bandwidth. These adjustments often fix performance. And if the connection fails, make sure remote services are running. Firewall rules permit the app, NAT or port forwarding is correct.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.